Your Majesty, Ganon and his minions have seized the birds.
How can we help?
It is written, only you can save the birds.
I'm going to Gamelon to save
The birds.
If you don't hear from me in a month...
The island of Korodai.
I wonder what attack...
King, the birds.
I'd say your chances
Now save...
King, the birds.
are 1,000,000 to 1.
Kid, map, king, birds.
Is illegal, you know.
I don't give a fuck.
I'm going to rape you!
Have mercy.
After you've scrubbed all of...
Come.
Then we can talk about mercy.
You're not afraid of
Crap.
are you?
Of course not.
Then get my cock back from
Let go.
okay?
Don't fight him, him. Know what I mean?
No.
I'd him. Spicy. Know what I mean?
How? How? You've saved me!
Do you know what it means when you lose your last ruby?